Hi guys, Link from Gardening Express, and today it's getting hot in the greenhouse. Only joking, we've got some chilli plants right here for you. Now, the thing with chilies and the UK climate is that you need to plant them as early as possible. They obviously thrive in hotter environments, so if you have to, you can also plant them indoors or a greenhouse if you're lucky. Now, they need lots of water and lots of sunlight, but what's better than having fresh chilies? Now, the common misconception is that the smaller the chili is, the spicier it is, and that's not true. It's a myth. It all depends on the growing conditions and the variety of the chili. Now, what we've got here is a bird's eye chili and a jalapeno chili. Now, these are great, they do different things, and they're great in different dishes as well. We also have lots more on our website, so if you want to check out our entire range of chilies, I suggest you go there. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. See you guys next time.